Welcome, everyone. I am Pascal Clement, founder of Percent and your trainer. Are you tired of this effort you put in trying to improve the way things are getting done, but you can't get through, overwhelmed with the reactive daily routines that are precisely the reason why you need to do something about it? Well, stop fooling around and start delivering efficiently the appropriate strategies in regard to the consequences of the problem you're facing. If you're curious to see a simpler, better way to do things, or you're looking for efficiency, to engage your people with simple, straight to the point, and useful tools, embedded in a process that influences the culture of your company in a direction for success, then this training is for you and your people. You will be surprised how quickly the process is shaping and improve the overall performance of the company. It uses the global sustainability triple performance bottom line: people, planet, and profit to get the most value out of your assets. It is one of the performance-centered asset management training set, the root cause analysis tools. The set of training also includes the foundational processes of the PCAM, the reliability-centered maintenance tools, the total predictive maintenance tools, and the reliability data in-depth analysis training. The set of training is available in English or French, online, on site, your site, or in public session in partnership with universities in France and Canada. Support is also available through consultation services tailored to your operational context. Let's build together a sustainable and safe future. To know more, visit percentum.com. This is percentum.com. Thank you for your attention. Get on the training and do not hesitate to reach out for more info. Cheers. This was Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum. Percentum.com.